how to create Uber account. For that, you need to open the Uber application. Once you open the Uber application, you will be taken to this page where you can simply sign up in the Uber account using mobile number, Google, email, or even find your account. For now, let's try with email. So tap on continue with email. So here you need to simply enter the email address. So once you enter the email address, simply tap on next. Now you need to enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to your Gmail. So once you enter the verification code, you will be taken to this page where you need to enter your phone number. So this option is optional. Simply you can tap on escape or enter your mobile number. So once you skip that step or enter the mobile number, you will be taken to this step where you need to simply enter your name that you want to sign up in Uber account with. After you are done with this, tap on next, which is at the bottom right corner. And now you will be given this article where you have to go through it, and you need to tick mark this small box which says I agree to Uber's terms and review privacy notice. Now tap on next button. So now you need to allow Uber to send you notifications. So simply tap on allow, or else you can tap on don't allow. So when you tap on account, which is at the bottom right corner, here you can easily find that you have already created account on Uber. So this is how you can easily create Uber account on any Android device. I hope you found this video useful. Like and subscribe our channel if this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.